Introducing Petal. It seems like every day you hear about a new environmental disaster caused by climate change.
While it's an important topic, pre-existing apps and websites make the environment seem dull and boring. To solve this issue and bring more awareness to Mother Nature, we created Petal.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and I'm a rising senior in high school. I worked on the front end and designed the interface on Figma.
And I'm Tika, a rising sophomore at Carnegie Mellon University. I worked on the back end with integrating Flask and SQLite into the front end.
Petal is a web app that uses gamification to motivate environmentally friendly actions, such as planting a tree or recycling. You can sign up to make an account on our site, which gives you access to your own personalized dashboard. You can keep track of your habits and easily visualize your progress with a virtual flower. The flower starts as a seed, but the more good deeds you do lets it grow larger and larger. If you do something harmful, like littering, the flower shrinks. The dashboard also tells you the latest action you took and provides you with random fun facts about the environment. You can log out, but your progress is saved to your account, so you can always come back and see your flower growth.
To make Petal, we primarily used Figma to create a mock-up of the layout. So originally we hand drew what we wanted it to look like, and then we used Figma's design tools to create it. And using the inspect option, we were able to get the CSS code to create it. We also included a mobile app design for future developments. This would allow us to automatically record step information to record when someone is walking instead of using a car and reward them with our flower growth.
For the backend, we used a Python framework called Flask in order to incorporate a SQLite database to our front-end code. This lets us store user information and keep track of flower growth.
Put the petal
To the metal. Thank you for watching.